Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another interesting video. This is exclusive for women techies. Yes, it's about ThoughtWorks Vapasi program. So ThoughtWorks has recently made an announcement about their bootcamp training program for women techies. So this time they have announced for quality analyst role. So generally they do this train and hire program every quarter of the year for software developers and quality analysts. So ThoughtWorks is one of the service-based company which supports and provides equality and diversity. So before we get into the details about this Vapasi program, please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. So in this video, I am going to talk about the following agenda. So first I will start with some more details about Vapasi program and what kind of position they are looking for and which are the location this is applicable, and what are the eligible criteria and the training duration and timings, and what kind of prerequisite they are expecting, and the registration date, final registration date, and what preparation you need to do for getting selected in bootcamp, and after training what happens. So I'll walk through you with the details one by one. So let's start with Vapasi program 2021. So this is basically a free train and hire program, and they have already completed 14 batches. And now this is going to be a 15th batch, and they mainly do this Vapasi program for software developers and quality analysts. Already 200 plus women participated in this program, and they are part of ThoughtWorks employment now. They give you a bootcamp training in various technical areas and along with the certification. Once you complete the training, they provide you a certificate. So this certificate is not only valid in ThoughtWorks, you can apply for some other companies also with this certification. And basically they provide this training to sharpen your programming and testing area in the latest technologies, and they provide hands-on along with mentor expertise support. And they are looking for quality analyst role. So this time it's for quality analyst role position. And the locations are Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and it's going to be a virtual training only, but you have to select the location. So once the training gets over, maybe if you are selected for internship or employment, you may have to report back to that concerned location. So for that reason, you have to select the location. So the eligibility criteria for this program is like you should have 4 or more than 4 years experience in testing as a quality analyst, and you should have a career break minimum 1 year, max 5 years. Hands-on experience in both manual and automation testing is needed. And also you should have a working experience in OOPS or scripting language. For example, Java or Python knowledge is also required. So you should have good understanding of defect management and scenario creation. And the training duration is going to be a 4-week training, and it starts from 22nd Feb 2021 and ends by 19th March 2021. So the timing schedules are like Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So the prerequisites are like you should have a laptop or desktop with a stable internet connection along with the webcam. In case if you don't have a laptop or desktop, you can inform them so that they will arrange for hiring rental purpose. You can hire a laptop or desktop. So these kind of details they have already mentioned in their FAQ of their web page. So please go through them also to get in depth of your clarifications, doubts and all getting clarified. And the date to register is 12th Feb 2021. So I have given the link in the description also. You can apply through that link. So now for preparation for bootcamp, you need to brush up your skills on these areas like types of testing, automation concepts and OOPS. So after training what happens? Like they will be providing 4 weeks of training. Once the training is completed, they will be selecting a few candidates based on their performance in the training, and they will be offering 3 to 6 months of internship. In case if you are not selected for internship, or if you are not interested to take up the internship with ThoughtWorks, you can apply for some other companies also with the certificate whatever you have availed. And there are some future Vapasi events also. In case if you are not able to participate in the this bootcamp event, you can apply in future also. For that, you need to show your interest in the area, whether you are interested in quality analyst or software developer. That enrollment you can do it through this following link. So you just enroll it so that in future bootcamp events, they will notify you through the mail. Hope I have given all the necessary details about this program. If you are interested, apply for this program immediately. Otherwise also you can refer to your friends for applying in this program. So all the best for all the women techies who are all applying for this program. I will come up with another video soon. See you in my next video. Until then, it's me Suchi signing off from you all. Bye bye.